It's your girl Justina, and I'm back with another video. Oh, hey, 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 hey. Let me stop. Y'all like my outfit? Yes. OOTD, babe. Okay, anyway, what up, my mooka butts? So, I keep getting asked for this tutorial by, like, everybody. And I'm just like, how you don't know how to kiss? Now, listen, I'm not judging you, baby. Listen, Mookie. No, why you yelling? Who the fuck you talking to like that? Nah, for real, though. Like, listen. Like, I'm not saying, like, oh, since you don't know how to kiss, do that. But, like, I really thought, like, that was something that, like, you know what? No, because I have kissed niggas that really just be like, yo, the one guy that I was talking to, like, he would use mad saliva. It was disgusting. Like, it would make me nauseous. I was like, yo, can you stop doing that? Like, it was nasty. That was probably one of my worst kissing experiences. Like, all the time. Like, and it's like he would do it on purpose. Oh my God, no. Okay, so you know what? I got y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know how to be better kissers or how to be a good kisser in general. You feel me? Mooka butt. I got you, baby. You don't gotta say nothing to me. All right, so I would say the first step is to make sure your breath is on point, because nobody want to kiss somebody whose breath is on hot, so, like, all the time. You know what I'm saying? So, like, make sure you floss, because brushing your teeth is not flossing. It's like taking a doo-doo and not wiping your butt. It's the same thing. So, like I'm saying, make sure you floss, use mouthwash, brush your teeth, brush your tongue, brush the roof of your mouth, brush everywhere, go to the dentist every 6 months to get your shit clean. The fuck? Nobody wants somebody with doo-doo breath. All right, now, for real. All right, so that's the first step. Now, the second step is, now, don't be sloppy with it, baby. That's another thing. You can't just be, that's dirty. Like, so, okay, like, I'm gonna tell you what I do. All right, so first of all, I like niggas with long hair, right? And that's because, like, when you're kissing, you could put him how you want him to go. Like, now, when you're kissing, like, you can't just be basic like this. You know what I'm saying? Like, when I kiss, and I've gotten told that I'm an amazing kisser. So, when I kiss, like, I go to this side, I go to this, like, my whole head will, like, and then, like, I'll grab their hair, the back of their head, whatever, and I'll put it, like, the opposite way that I'm going. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, so that's the first step. Move him where you want him to go, which is basically the opposite way of you. Is that what I'm saying? And when you're kissing him, right? Hump him a little bit. Dry hump him. Like, grind on his dick. Like, you know what I'm saying? Choke him, grab his neck. I like to do the one hand on neck, one hand on chin combination, baby, because then I could control you to where I want you to be. Nah, but for real, like, that's the first step. And now the second step is, now, so we got two lips, okay? This is the bottom lip, this is the top lip. Now, I'm going to try to do this as best as I can, okay? So, you can eat, there's two kinds of kissers. So, like, there's kissers where, like, if he's, like, kissing, like, your top lip, like, you're on his bottom, and then you, like, you switch. Y'all know what I'm talking about? I don't like kissing like that. Like, I really don't. I mean, like, you can. You know what I'm saying? Like, but it's all about rhythm and being slow and being sensual. You know, like, that has everything to do with everything. And, like, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, so, top, bottom, top, okay? Like, got some clams and shit. Like, and oh my God, my coochie. Okay, and then if you don't do the top bottom shit like me, I don't really do that. Like, it's just boom, lips on lips. You know what I'm saying? And just Now listen, every time you, like, okay, so you, like, kiss, right? So you're just like, right? And then before you go in for the next kiss, you're like, that's when you put your tongue in their mouth. Like, you, don't do too much tongue, because with too much tongue comes too much saliva, and with too much saliva is drooling. You know what I'm saying? So, like, when you put your tongue in their mouth, like, you only have to do, like, that much, for real. Like, you don't have to put the whole tongue in their mouth. Like, yo, I've had men who, like, yo, this one guy, he would, tongue all up in my mouth, and I'm just like, You just touched the dingly thing in the back of my throat. Like, hello, I'm not trying to throw up on your tongue. Like, you want me to throw up in your mouth? That's what you into? Like, dirty? Nah, I'm just kidding. But not for real. Like, don't do that. Don't do that like that. Like, don't. So then, okay, so then, yeah. Tongue, one way, opposite way, choking. You can do a little slap too. Like, I love the slap, man. Like, I don't know what it is. It just gets me excited. Like, when I just, because 9 out of 10, my is swallowing these jeans. Like, they swallowing them whole. Like, and it's so uncomfortable. I hate pants. For real, like, if I could walk out around in just my drawers, I would do just that. Oh, sorry. Yo, see, I be forgetting that I'm, like, recording and shit like that. But anyway, yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Like, take your time, be slow, be sensual, grab the back of their neck, the back of their head, their cheeks, their chin, whatever. Just make sure you're on rhythm with them. Now, if they have thinner lips, you know, some of the Cajuns, they got a little thin. I'm just kidding. I love you. I met Spanish men with thin lips. It honestly is not all for the white people. But no, for real. So, like, if they have thin lips, it's gonna be kind of hard to kiss them regardless. Like, I was dating this one girl, and her lips was mad thin, and she was Spanish. Like, and when I tried kissing her, I was like, I feel like I'm kissing your upper lip and your chin, baby. And you know, I didn't say that, but like, it was just not a good experience, to be honest. Like, it was just fucking awful. I'm like, do better. But anyway, so yes, be slow, be sensual, and like, when you're drunk, it's easier. Like, I've been telling everybody that, like, if you want, like, you gotta be, no, because if you don't know how to kiss really, you're probably underage, so you're not drinking at the drinking age yet. So never mind, don't listen to me. Y'all make my makeup today. Just a real quick side note, like, I look good, like, so I'm so fine. Like, I am the finest person that I know, you feel me? Like, young. But anyway, so yeah, and that's really like all the, make sure your lips not ashy. Like, how can I forget that? Make sure your lips are not ashy. Men like lip gloss. Now, not all, okay? Not all. There are some men who really just don't like lip gloss because it's sticky, but like, the men that I've encountered, they love lip gloss and red lipstick. Like, it makes your lips extra kissable. Nah, but for real, like, so lip gloss, chapstick, bro. If you're a man, Vaseline, the Blistex, some Carmex. Do something like that. Like, nobody wants to kiss on your dry, flaky, hot, buttery, like, lips. I'm serious. Please moisturize your lips, bro. But yeah, other than that, like, that's like the basic tips. Like, top, bottom, top, middle, turn to the side. You know, like, after you, like, kiss with your mouth closed, that's when you, like, you know, put your tongue in and, like, close it. Then y'all close together. Like, y'all supposed to put your tongues at the same time. Do, like, a little whirl around and then close. Does that make sense? Like, I debated. I didn't know if I wanted to do this video because I'm like, how do you explain how to kiss somebody? Like, it's kind of self-explanatory. But no, it's not. No, it's not self-explanatory. Like, I guess because I've had some bad kisses in my life. Yo, the one time, let me tell you what happened, bro. I was with this guy, like, he could not kiss at all, like, and his problem was he lacked the rhythm, bitch. I keep running out of stories, just piss me off. Anyway, he had no rhythm. Like, when I was like that, he was like that, like that. Like, when I was like that, he was like that. And, like, when my tongue was in his mouth, his tongue was, like, backing on mine. Like, it was just weird. Like, you gotta know how to kiss, or you're gonna lose a bad bitch. Or a sexy nigga. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Oh, please like, comment, subscribe, share. Go follow my Instagram, Justina2_Mendez, my TikTok, Justina Mendez23. And just keep sharing this with your mama, your auntie, your uncle, your brother, your boyfriend. No, don't share this with your man, because he can't know where you get all the juice from. You know what I'm saying? But I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video.